time to use these to make these. This is my strawberry Hugelkultur raised bed. As you can see, I have all my ever-bearing strawberries in here, but we're going to be making these today. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I do and how I prep the barrel, how we put them together. Alright, so I have 20 more barrels. I did this one time last year to set up my strawberries. I haven't totally figured out what I'm going to put into each set of 10. I'm hoping maybe one rhubarb and another one possibly could be my sapphire grapes. But I haven't decided yet, and I still have to fill them up Hugelkultur style. Branches, twigs, leaves, whatever I can get, put it in the bottom, and then I'll get some of my compost, and then I'll get some topsoil or potting mix. But for now, I'm just going to show you how I cut these up, because I like to keep the rim nice and thick and hard, because if you try to cut it too close, like say if I cut it down here, this thing is going to start collapsing and it's going to become a weird shape. And then we're going to attach them all together so they don't fall apart or push apart because of settling and stuff like that. So let's just get started. Don't forget, oh, we got to grab our safety glasses, right? You got to make sure you wear your safety glasses. You don't want a little piece of plastic in your eye. It'll just kind of ruin your day. And that's it. Step one complete. So what we're going to do is on each one of these, we got to puncture a hole so that we can start cutting. And now there's a little space in here. So that's the part we're going to cut out, because we want to keep it rigid. So we want as much strength in those in the rims as possible. So we'll just cut it right down. And then we're just going to do that to all of them. So now we just cut. Just like that. So the first thing we're going to do here before we connect the barrels and put them in place is remove this bush. It's in the way, and again, all in rows, separate rows all the way down. So you'll see what I mean as we step back here. You can see I got that. It'll be one of those Hugelkultur raised beds, then a garden, which grapes, and then a patch, then another barrel, and then another type of garden. I don't know what I'll put in here yet, and then another Hugelkultur raised bed. So got some removal to do, so let's get at it. It's not going to do it itself. Alright, we got our trusty drill here. We got a spade bit in here somewhere. There it is. Got a 1/2 inch. And I got all these extra spent rods that I don't really need. I know they're not stainless or nothing, but that won't hurt it. It will not hurt it. It's going to be low enough that the rust shouldn't be a problem. So got a couple washers in there. So what we're going to do is just follow me. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect each barrel together. It'll keep them together so that they don't spread apart when they're like getting filled or whatever. So I just kind of feel better doing it that way, so that's how I'm going to do it. Okay, it's all done. We got, I don't know, this is probably very unnecessary, but it makes me feel better. So that's what I did. Bolts in every single one. It holds it all together nice and tight. And now the next step is just to find stuff to fill it in, and I'll be filling it in throughout now in the fall. We probably won't be planting in here well, maybe this year, who knows. But we definitely want to get them fill up before the winter comes. And now we have 3 sets. One strawberry, and one with a question mark, and another one with a question mark. So, and then this one here, I do have those cherry trees, so I'm thinking maybe I'll bring some of those cherries down here. Even gumi. I have a couple of gumi, but I haven't decided yet. So again, this is all just a wing and a prayer. I got the pump running right now, filling up the pond. We're gonna water the. We're gonna go find some water. I'll probably just disconnect this hose and use the pump and water my plants. These are my potatoes. They're doing really well. They're even starting to flower now. I didn't realize they had flowers. They're kind of pretty. Yeah, so we're gonna water them up. We got some natural cedar mulch that I was using for my pots. I'm gonna bring some of that down here, and I'll show you in a second. All right, I got the natural cedar mulch in there. This is going to take care of these, keep the moisture in the buckets, hopefully a little better than they are. These are the ever-bearing. Bugs are getting at the strawberries and whatnot, but you know, what are you going to do? We're just going to keep growing them and see what happens. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up down there. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my videos so I can make more and more and more, because that's what I do. I just love making these videos for everybody. I'm learning, hopefully you're learning, and I want you to have a safe week. So see you next time.